Come, let us spill this already spilled a juice and talk about some entertainment news while we're at it. Guys, I saw this thing yokuthi how Mpho Wa Badimo and Themba are being civil to an extent that Mpho Wa Badimo is going to be on the second season of My Inked World. And I'm like, Njani? Because Ugo has explained clearly that Themba naye not they're never gonna be in the same WhatsApp group because Themba needs to do the right things. But let's not hear it from me. I read it from MDN News where they said Themba Broly to reconcile with his baby mamas. The former BB Mzansi housemate is willing to make peace with the mothers of his kids. According to Zimoja, Themba's ex and baby mama Mpho Wa Badimo will be making an appearance on season 2 of the show. A friend also revealed, hey, Mara, these friends are kidding pimpine. Every day they always leak something, but nonetheless, a friend also revealed that he will mend the relationship with his baby mamas. A friend reveals being Themba, plans to become a better and present parent. He wants to do better. He knows he has messed up a bit with both his baby mamas. A lot has happened after he has stopped recording the show. Ne? So the question is, what is that a lot? The lot that has happened. Did he go to pay in Tlaulo? Did he go to Shweleza to Badimo Mpho Wa Badimo? Yay, what happened? What happened? While we think about it, like, share, and subscribe.